Nazavaiko tamin'ireo ny viavy io hoe mitady olo miasa fa izy bôka tsy ela zegny le séjour tavela ijanona Madagasikara
Tsy manambady.
zay bôka tsy diranao bôka izy na manambady na tsy manambady fa mitady asa anao fa azokazoko anao tsy haiko izy koa anao mikarakara azy agnatin'ny tragno koa zegny de
Izy ndreka mbola misy asa mety fanaoko za edy amin'ny
non lesa zay amin'ny rany de zao anao mila mahay tena anglais na potipotiny de anao amin'izay vakeo miasa aminazy anao de anao vakeo mety ndesina andafy anao vakeo satria tsy lavitra ambesa sady efa tsy gn'andaovana koragna lava mikasiky raha zegny satria izy midoko ambony akaty ohatra misy amin'ny raha beko ty de agny zegny le fipetraka le raha zegny de anatsika finikoragna aminazy misy ambarambarako anao fô bôka magnano raha justement izy bôka mivoaka reo bon anao azo magnondragna edy anao de adiko aminao fa zay raha tsy azonao fa zay raha notaniny izy ka hainao valinao azonao hello madame
Just hello, how are you?
fine as you told me to looking for someone for a job
Yes, a boy.
and
Who is he?
he's
Your brother?
yeah he's
Oh. Hello. Can he speak English?
Yes.
Oh, how are you?
he's fine.
Do you want to work? I look for some boy who want to work and go with me to America. Do you want? Yes.
Yes.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
I am very pleased. It's okay. What's your name?
Yes.
Your name
Yes,
is what is name?
I'm very well, Mahandru name very well. Move gosh. And
I don't understand. What does he say?
Makasok.
His name is Don.
Don, yes.
He cooks very well.
Happy to know you, Don. Nice to know you. Don. Your name is Don.
Name? Yes, I'm name very well, madam. Makasok. And move gosh.
He speaks English very well.
Yes.
Ano ko pambushi zing no ba zadingan what zamba mi no.
Okay.
And he speaks very well English. Try.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, it's good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. At the next time, because I have something to do now.
Monday.
At the next time, I take you. But if no, excuse me, because no, excuse me, Joseph. For the next time. No. Okay, but I call you because no. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hello, madam. Forgive me.
Please forgive me. Take me, please.
Forgive me.
Please forgive me. Madam. Madam American.
Oh,
Take
no.
me, please, madam.
Excuse
Take me,
me,
please.
No.
Please forgive me, Madam Vaza. Please forgive me.
Excuse me. No.
Please forgive me. Forgive me, madam.
Because you can't speak English.
I'm speaking
No,
English
no.
very well.
Excuse me.
I'm speaking English very well, madam. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Oh, la, yes. Okay, but no,
madam,
don't. Excuse
please,
me, because you can't speak English and it's not okay. No.
Very well, madam. I'm speaking English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Okay, but
Yes. Country. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
yes.
6.
For the next time. For the next
Madam.
time. Oh. Bye.
Give me kiss. Give me kiss, way. Kiss. Malagasy. Give me kiss. Kiss. Give me kiss. Sabi.
Madam! Please, madam. Please, madam. Kick me, please, madam. Kick me, please, madam.
Kick me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Kick me, madam. Kick me, yes. Kick me, please.
Okay.